What's up guys, Ryan here. Today we're going to look at month 15 of my passive income journey, which was July 2018. I brought in $8,196.81 of Amazon FBA profit, $1,270.27 of Amazon merch royalties, and $409.88 of dropshipped print on demand profit. Let's look at the numbers. Looking at Amazon FBA, I did 1,957 sales, generating $46,500.56 of revenue. Of that, $8,188.81 I kept as profit at a 17% profit margin. By the way, if you're wondering how I'm tracking my profit margins when Amazon is such a complex ecosystem that makes it pretty hard to do that, I'm using some software called Fetcher, which you can check out at fetcher.com. I'll put a link in the description. That's also where I got this chart from. So if you're looking at my blog post on ryanhogue.com, you can actually click the chart, and then down here underneath it says Amazon FBA sales data from Fetcher. You can click that link and go sign up for Fetcher. They give you like 30 something days free trial. It's amazing. Anyways, if you click the chart, it goes full screen and you can drill down into my daily sales. Now, my most profitable SKU on the month brought in $2,153 of profit. Number 2 most profitable brought in $1,933. Number 3 most profitable brought in $1,872. Now, the second and third most profitable SKUs are both in the exact same niche, and they're variations of each other. And one interesting note is that number 3 has been slowly gaining traction on number 2, and it has almost overtaken it. It's within about $100 of, actually about $50 of the other SKU, which ranks number 1 on the organic primary keyword. So at this point, I had the number 1 and number 2 organic listings on those primary keywords. That's why they were bringing in almost $4,000 profit. So in addition to those, I had 9 SKUs generating between $100 and $999 of profit, meaning less than $1,000 profit, but above $100. And I had 6 other SKUs doing between $1 and $99 of profit. So that could mean that I'm just advertising them and letting the ACOS, the average cost of sale, be equal to my profit margin, meaning I'm just selling close to break even, but even though I'm not making money, every time they get a sale, they climb the organic rank ladder very slowly. So that's perfectly okay as a launch strategy. You don't have to give units away at a loss. Sometimes you just pay Amazon to advertise them at break even. Anyways, it was a good month and things were trending in the right direction. 17% profit margins, also pretty good, especially with launching new products. All right, looking at my Amazon merch numbers for the month, I did 310 sales, bringing in $6,007.18 of revenue, and me keeping $1,270.27 in royalties. The average royalty was $4.10 per sale. And of my sales, so I scroll down, this chart, by the way, is from Pretty Merch. If you, this actually, I think is from Pretty Merch Pro. It's the paid version, but it lets you drill down into some in-depth analytics, which I love using for my income reports. So again, I sold a pretty wide arrangement of evergreen t-shirts. You'll notice that one of the SKUs generated 27 sales, and that was my best seller for the month. However, disclaimer, I'll always keep it real, 20 sales came to the same customer of the same shirt. And by the way, if you're wondering, like, am I some crazy, amazing graphic designer? No. That shirt that I sold 20 of to one person was impact font, one word, and then distressed. And I published a post to ryanhogue.com where I literally walk you through step by step how to create those types of designs. But you can pretty much just use a thick, bold font, type 1 or 2 words, and then if you choose to, you can also give it that grunge distressed effect, which a lot of customers love, and sell it for $17.99 and make decent money. And that's exactly what I did here. Brought in $122.73 of royalties on that one t-shirt design. So I was finally gaining some positive traction with dropship print on demand outside of the fourth quarter. I did 82 sales that brought in $409.88 of profit. Just 1 month earlier, I only did $183 of profit, so I had more than doubled that. I did 63 sales on Amazon, which averages out to about 2 sales per day, 0 sales on eBay, so I was consistent there, and 19 sales on Etsy. Now, Etsy sales are what led to me generating more profit than normal. On Etsy, I'm able to sell t-shirts at $19.99 price point and collect shipping from a customer. With Printful's dynamic shipping, I'm often making a profit off of collecting about $5 on average of shipping because it usually only costs about $3 and about 50 cents of actual cost, and that extra $1.50 I keep. Also, Etsy doesn't take as much of a margin from your sale as a fee. So Etsy's a great place to take your Amazon merch designs and upload there and get more, as I like to say, online real estate coverage, because real estate in real life is expensive. Real estate online is cheap. On Etsy, you pay 20 cents to launch a new product. So definitely check out Etsy via the Printful integration if you're not already doing that, especially if you're already selling print-on-demand designs elsewhere. All right, guys, and that just about wraps up month 15 of my passive income journey, where I brought in $8,196.81 of Amazon FBA profit, $1,270.27 of Amazon merch royalties, $409.88 of dropshipped print-on-demand sales profit, and $347.58 of Google Ads profit. Ultimately, altogether, the total profit generated was $10,224.54 of passive income. It was a great month, and I stayed above the 5-figure profit mark. Just a little hint, a little preview, look out for the August 2018 income report where I broke the $20,000 profit mark, and I'll tell you exactly how in the next video. Thanks for checking this one out, guys. If you liked it, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you at the next one.
Wherever she goes, I go, we roll, we go, flying over cities down to Rio. It's Rio, love that I feel. Oh, nothing lasts forever, but I'm down for the minute, so just chill.